Hi guys, for isolation we're gonna start a few videos with those two handsome boys, one Italian and Marek, Slovakian. So we're gonna make some sausage.
Today we make Italian sausage with Italian machine tre spade. And that's it. Marek, our friends, Slovakia butcher, teach us a couple of skills. We done our mix.
How to make the sausage.
And Marek fill up the condom on the machine. And that's it. We start
The
live.
I got a lot of practice, so I can.
And we start this week to make all this sausage, and we will dry and we will eat in the quarantine, and then we'll follow more video where I will make fresh pasta, fresh main course, and show you what to do when you're home and have nothing to do.
Exactly. So the sausage will be tested.
Ready?
In a week
Ready.
time.
Now, this is a gym as well, you know, because we can go in the gym soon. It's like you know, it's a proper Italian sausage. Look how big and beautiful. And I was excited. And now,
Alright, this is round one.
Round one.
Round two is coming.
Round one. So what do you do at round one? Can you explain us?
So we fill up the sausage, and now we just have to link it. There's a few different types of linking. Because we're gonna dry this sausage, we're going to link it singularly. So that means it's a good size like this.
yeah, good. Yeah, roughly.
Is that a good size, Alex?
Good size?
Roughly, yeah. Let's do it.
Tell us, Alex. Alright, like that, yeah? So you're just gonna
So what do? You twist it?
twist it like this because you're going to hang it by the stick, which is going to be hanging like this so the air can go through evenly. It'll dries it all equally.
So we can do that from home?
Yes,
Yes, you can
dry
do
it
from
in the
home,
fridge.
and the first recipe we will do in a couple of days. We will do casarecce with sausage and borlotti beans. Yeah, lots fart in the house, beautiful underneath the bed.
Well, winter's coming, so you need a bit of a gas, natural gas. Danger free for some people. That's what we call Dutch oven too.
So what are you doing with the sausage now? We're going in the fridge?
Yeah, they gotta go to the fridge because still a bit fresh. So best sausage if you give it maybe 1 day, 24 hours till the flavor settle in. If you can wait. If you are really on hurry, want to cook sausage, I would suggest that if it's fresh, cook it on a low heat. But first, I would suggest leave it at least 24 hours to set the flavors.
So if you can use fire, you can cook it on fire.
You can cook in fire, guys. My promise was my wife. If it's true that we go in quarantine, I will try to use again the gas and the induction kitchen. It will be so hard for me, but I'm sure I can make working. And I will teach you a couple of skills to make a good meal with sausage. The most important things, guys, stay safe.
Couple of
Wash your hands.
after the sausage.
After you use your sausage, always wash your hands and sanitize your hands.
Not your sausage.
And your sausage as well.
It's a couple of skills with the sausage. You can okay. So I got a little bit deeper here.
And what do you do if you're home and you don't have this machine? Can you make a sausage?
Yeah, you can. There is a different tricks too. You can use an old plastic water bottle when you cut in half. And yeah, there is a bit complicated way, but there is a way manual. Maybe we can make a video next time.
We can make next time the video with half bottle or with piping bag.
Yeah.
And with the only
There
things,
is
the mix need to be changed. The mix need to be a little bit more soft.
Or if you don't have a skins, if you just want to make a sausage, just roll it like this.
Or like meatballs, Italian meatballs.
Like a Italian meatballs, but in the shape of a sausage. They still can. And you leave it in a fridge overnight because the flavor became hard, settle. And then you can even slice it.
You can make a patty.
Yeah.
And how long can you keep the mix in the fridge?
If it's got enough chemicals, got a salt, natural preservatives, I'd say up to 2 weeks. If it's
In the
stored
fridge?
properly, yeah.
Good.
If you dry it out, obviously longer. There's a technique which you can dry it out, which can stay a bit longer, but this kind of sausage.
And we promise ourselves as well, because in this set of this sausage and whatever, one day Marek will teach us a couple of skills of jiu-jitsu, because at the moment we can training and
So we can eat with guilt. We can eat and drink without a guilt.
now
Guilt
we
free.
go,
Exercise.
yeah.
So now we're gonna store the sausage.
Now we go for round two. Marek, you go for it. So
Ah, yeah, cool. Cool at big. I put the skin on. So this is how you put the skin. It's already soaked, clean.
So the skin is in the water?
Yes, soaked in the water.
Where can you buy the skin?
Usually from a local butcher. If your local butcher is good to you, he should have plenty.
Be good to your butcher.
Yeah. Oh, this one I got from Nick. Sauce Boutique Casings. Shout out to him. He'll look after you. So that's how we put it on. I know what you're thinking.
I'm not
It's gotta
thinking
be done.
anything.
No, you. The
Only
people,
you.
people who are watching at home. Oh, we still got that more. Maybe I have to get another skin too, because
I was 5 kilo point 7,
yeah.
but we put water.
Here we go.
Ready?
Hang on.
One team, one dream.
One dream, guys.
Okay. It's going like that.
This is the best way in this bad situation, I think, and this is the best things we can do. Be together, collaborate together, and use our brain together,
Exactly. Create something big.
and create something
Still something
really
unique.
really unique. And in the last couple of days, few days ago on Instagram, I saw a video of Dario Cecchini. He's one of the big butcher guys in Italy.
Oh.
And he was just read about Albert Einstein in 1929, when after in Europe was the Spanish flu, and saying, okay, the crisis is a good thing. Sometimes the crisis is a good thing. So you will see after this bad time, all of us, we will stand up, we will come back strong.
Yeah.
I believe we can, and I'm sure I will have one more oven, 2 more grill, because I will be so busy, and everyone will be busy. But at the moment we need to be safe, and it's really important. We need to support each other, because
Exactly.
2 hands can wash your hair face. All right, looks like we need
well.
more skills, more
So-
skin.
So I just want to say, when you're filling up the sausages, can't be too full, too empty. So you want to be able to squeeze it a bit. Otherwise, if it's too full, pop the skin, you can't link them. So it's kind of in between, something informational. Okay.
So next time we need to cook the sausage, now, chef?
Yes, I see you in a couple of days.
That's up to the chef.
I'll see you in a couple of days, and I will teach you a couple of skills. Maybe we will do some smoke, because you will have a lot of time home, and I'm sure you will have some tree around you, some food around you, or I don't know, you can have some hay, or you can steal the food from your rabbit that you have and we can smoke with them.
No,
Don't steal from your rabbit.
Not here. They're wild rabbits.
And I will teach you a couple of skills to smoke the sausage, and after
And then we're gonna grill them.
we need to grill
On the
I
fire?
Grill.
Are they
I
cold?
will
On
prefer
the
the
pan.
fire. I will prefer the fire, but I promise myself I will have a little gas set up, as you see, and I will teach you a few skills to cook on the gas as well. Just for this time of quarantine. When quarantine is finished,
Back on the
we
fire.
come back only with fire. Like,
Fight the fire with the fire.
because the fire is life.
And
So now we're saying goodbye and have a
Goodbye,
lovely day,
au revoir.
everyone. And we'll see
Arrivederci,
you
dovidenia.
for next video.
stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Bye
More
bye.
videos coming. Bye.